Experience summer at the Cliffs of Moher. Their natural beauty has inspired artists, musicians and poets for generations, as well as absorbing scientists and geologists, drawn by the unique landscape in which they sit. Walk the safe, paved pathways and view the famous cliffs on Europe's western frontier and enjoy the spectacular vistas over sea, land and sky. One of Ireland's most famous sights. The Cliffs of Moher are entirely vertical and the cliff edge is abrupt. On a clear day, the views are tremendous, with the Aran Islands etched on the waters of Galway Bay. From the cliff edge, you can just hear the booming far below as the waves crash and gnaw at the soft shale and sandstone. With a due west exposure, sunset is the best time to visit. Cliffs of Moher. Everything you need to know about the magical Cliffs of Moher. One of Ireland's favorite visitor experiences and tourist attractions, the Cliffs of Moher tower over the rugged West County Clare coast. Visually spectacular, the Cliffs of Moher sit astride the striking landscape of the Burren on one side and the wild Atlantic Ocean on the other. Rising out of the Atlantic waters to a height of over 700 feet at O'Brien's Tower and running along the coast of Clare for almost 14 kilometers, or 8 miles, the Cliffs of Moher have formed over 320 million years ago, and today form part of the Burren and Cliffs of Moher UNESCO Global Geopark. Endless things to do at the cliffs. Walk the safe, paved pathways and view the famous cliffs on Europe's western frontier and enjoy the spectacular vistas over sea, land and sky. Their natural beauty has inspired artists, musicians and poets for generations, as well as absorbing scientists and geologists, drawn by the unique landscape in which they sit. The Cliffs of Moher, the most famous cliffs in Ireland, will leave you awestruck, creating memories that will stay with you forever. The Cliffs of Moher experience offers the perfect day out or a wonderful opportunity to reconnect safely with friends or family in a stunning natural environment to which there is free entry for children. The 800 meters of safe, paved pathways lead to beautifully appointed viewing areas from which the Aran Islands, Galway Bay, the Montorks and even faraway Kerry can be viewed on fine days. Take some time to speak to the experienced guides on site who will illuminate the story of the cliffs with their knowledge of history, mythology, geology and folklore. Within the Visitor Center. The Visitor Center features an interactive exhibition, Cliffs View Cafe, Puffin's Nest Cafe, visitor information, Shannon Heritage Craft, and gift store, restroom facilities, as well as first aid facilities, which include a fully equipped first aid room with nationally certified first aiders available daily. Exhibitions in the Visitor Center. The centerpiece of the Visitor Center is a circular exhibition space that has a domed roof structure, with a diameter of 25 meters. You'll be immersed in an interpretative exhibition, which not only animates the story of the cliffs, but presenting the geology, wildlife, and human aspects but draws stories and information from all around County Clare and Ireland. To bring to life the many different aspects of the cliffs, the dome is organized into 4 main themed areas: ocean, rock, nature, and man. O'Brien's Tower. The Cliffs of Moher's elemental beauty has captivated visitors since the 19th century, making them one of Ireland's first tourist attractions and one of the top things to do in Ireland. The tower was built on the cliffs in 1835 by the local landlord and MP Sir Cornelius O'Brien as an observation point for the English tourists who frequented the area at the time. It is said to have initially served as a tea house or folly. Another version tells of Cornelius building the tower in order to impress the women he was courting. Whatever the truth, from this vantage point on a clear day you can see the Aran Islands and the 12 bins of Connemara across Galway Bay. Cornelius O'Brien, 1782 to 1857. A descendant of the first High King of Ireland Brian Boru, Cornelius O'Brien was the landlord in the locality. He became a Member of Parliament, MP, for Clare in 1832, an office he held for 20 years. He built O'Brien's Tower in 1835 as part of a larger investment in making the Cliffs of Moher accessible, safe and attractive to visitors. This made him popular among his tenants, who were given employment when little else was available. O'Brien's Tower is available for exclusive hire for weddings. At the end of the video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to receive all new